Okay, so Neil will be right back. We're going to have him test the knees, run up and down the stairs a couple times, and we may have to adjust. How you feeling?
Good.
Good, okay.
The best way I can describe it is like...
Okay. Best way you can... What was that?
I feel like when it got hyperextended, it felt like this side was doing a lot of work. But after the adjustment, it feels like I don't have to put as much stress on this side. I'm not sure if that was the intention, but that's what I feel.
Yeah, you shouldn't feel stress on your knee, period. But I want to test it now.
Sure.
So I want to have you lay on your back, and we're going to muscle test it again. Okay, again, folks, this is for a hyperextended knee. We're going to muscle test him and check to see if he tests positive for a posterior tibia. We can also test for an anterior tibia. Okay, first we're going to start out and do the anterior tibia. Go ahead, posterior tibia. Go ahead and point the toes in and try to bring them up. Okay, and relax. Any pain when you did that?
No.
Okay. And go ahead and resist me, okay? 1, 2, 3, resist. Good, that's strong. Okay, so he does need an adjustment there. It was a little bit weak. So flip over on your stomach. So he tested positive for a posterior tibia, which makes sense. Just to show you guys, we're gonna show you on the opposite knee, but you have two bones that run down the lower half of your leg. And you have on the inside the tibia and on the outside the fibula, okay? The tibia and the fibula both connect to the knee up here and then down here at the ankle. But when you hyperextend your knee, that means you straighten it, but beyond where it should be straightened. So when he does that, both the tibia and fibula tend to pull back, but usually the tibia rotates back first before the fibula. So that's what happened. This tibia came back. So what I'm doing here is adjusting it and just reversing the hyperextension. So do not do this at home. If you think you hyperextended your knee, go see someone that knows what they're doing, a chiropractor, a sports chiropractor, or a CCEP chiropractor. But we're going to contact the head of the tibia and adjust it forward and down. And we're going to do one more here. And I lied. We're going to do a third one. And okay. All right. Okay. Now I'm going to have you stand up and just do a squat there, you know, without any weight. And come up.
Yeah,
how's that feel?
A lot more stable.
Great. All right. Take it easy this weekend. Don't overdo it.
Awesome.
All right?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for tuning in.